guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Today is going to be a quick video, just an introduction to the fact that I just had Sculptra injected into my legs. You know, as you get older, you look down and you see like your skin starting to sag, and that's the reason why you stop wearing short shorts. You just start covering all of that up. So there's really not much you can do about it. Well, you can have fillers like injected into your legs, but how much volume would you need? And I don't know, it doesn't seem to make sense, because that's quick volume and it would last maybe a year, and I think you'd probably have to put a lot in. So what I'm trying to do is I'm using a skin booster. Sculptra is a skin booster, and it helps your body build its own collagen. So for me, that makes more sense than trying to add instant volume. The Sculptra takes a long time to build up. It will be a couple of months before you start seeing anything, and I have to go back at least 2 more times. And then we're gonna just keep working on it and try to build that collagen up naturally. I mean, if you can consider it naturally, because I am using Sculptra to boost it. But that method seems to work better for me. So I just want to show you the bruising on my legs. All right, let's take a look. So this is where she took a picture of my legs, and in the right light, you can see like your skin sags. So we put the Sculptra here and here. It goes up a little bit higher too. And you have to massage it for 5 minutes, at least 3 times a day. You want to distribute that Sculptra and prevent lumps from happening. I mean, if you get lumps, they do go away, apparently. I've been reading about it. So you massage it religiously to help distribute that. This is a short video because it's just an intro, but I am going to put together a video of the before picture, and then I'm going to go for those extra treatments, and a couple of months after that, we'll take another picture and we'll compare the 2 pictures, and I'll put together a video of the before and after, and then we can decide if it's worth it. I'm hoping that it's worth it. So we'll find out, won't we? Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.